So you are going to need some scissors, string, and beads, of course. So we're making a bead lizard, so it's for a tutorial for absolute beginners, so let's get started. So you're gonna take your string, doesn't really matter what type, but I prefer to use this like kind of elastic stretchy string. Lasts longer and it's just easier to work with for me. And so you're gonna cut a string as long, like almost as long as both of your arms, and then put the two ends together like this. Then you're gonna take any color of your bead. I'm gonna do red, and then just put one on like that. Then just let it go through, and then do the same, but with that same color, if you want to, with two of that same color. Then you're gonna put it through, and then take the other side of the string, kind of like wrap it around, put it through these, and then take both ends and pull, and then it should look like this. Then take 2 black beads, or whatever you want for the color of the eyes to be. I'm using black. And then take one of the same color of the skin of the lizard and do that. Then you're gonna make a pattern that looks like this. And then do the same thing you did with those 2 beads. So going to wrap it around, put it through those beads, then take it and pull. Hopefully it should look like this, but if not, then I don't really know. So now you're going to take on 2 of the skin color beads, so mine's red, and then do the same thing you did with the 3 and the 2 beads. Then should hopefully look like this. So it should look like this. This part is pretty tricky, so make sure to listen really carefully. Okay, so you are going to take 2 of the eye color beads, that color black, then put them through, then take 3 of the skin color beads, which mine is red, then put them through like that, and then put them right there, and then instead of using the other side, take this same side of string, then put it through those 2 black beads, or whatever color yours is, then pull it through. Okay. And then hopefully it should look like this. Then make sure to tighten it. Okay. Then do the same with the other side. Okay, so both the sides should look like this. Hopefully it does. So yeah. So then you're gonna take one of the sides, doesn't matter which one. Then you're going to put 1 red bead, or whatever color of the skin is for you, 2 black beads, or whatever color the eye is, and then take 1 red one again. Then you're going to take the other side of the string, this one, and sorry about that. You're gonna take that other side of the string and with those 4 beads, right? And then you are going to put that side of the string through all 4 of those beads. Okay? Then you're gonna take that string that's poking out, then tighten it. So then it should look like this. Then you're going to repeat that same step with the 4 things 4 times. Then I'll see you then. So now it should look like this, hopefully. Then you are going to put 1 red bead or skin color bead, and then a black bead or whichever bead is in the middle of this, then another red one or whatever is that, and then you're gonna do the same thing that you did for it, like put this other string from the other side and put it through. Then there you go. Then it should look like this. And now we're gonna do the little legs, like this one here, little legs. Like it's the same with the hands, but just for the feet. So we are going to take 2 reds, if I can find them. Okay, so 1, 2 reds. So 2 reds, and then 3 blacks. I can get them. 3 okay, so 3 blacks, like right here, 3 blacks. Then take that same string, put it through those 2 beads. Make sure it's up close like that. Take 2 beads, put it through. Take the string that's poking out, then pull it. Then it should look like this again. Then do the same with the other side. So we did both of that. Now we're gonna do the tail, which is the last part of the thing. It's just the easiest part in my opinion, because we just gotta do like the 1 color. So you're gonna do 1 red bead, and then you are going to take the other side of string and put it through that red bead, and then pull it tight. Then it should look like that. Then you're gonna do that however many times you want, but you can do it like with this one. I did it like the black, green, black, green, black, green, or you can just do it 1 solid color, or like for example black and green, or whatever color you're doing. But I like doing a little checkered thing, so you can do that. When you're done with that, you're gonna tie a knot. So knots are pretty easy. So you're gonna take both sides of the string, put them together like this, take the string that's in the back, so mine's the shortest string, tuck it through, and then pull it. Then you're gonna tighten it. Then you're gonna do that a few times, okay? I would do about 4 times just to be safe, because you don't want it falling apart in the middle of NoHo. So yeah, 4 times is good. And if you want, you can add a keychain, but I'm not gonna do that. So yeah. So once you're done tying those knots, you're gonna take your scissors. Then you're gonna cut off the extra string so it looks nice. So the extra string, snip, and then you're done. And that is a tutorial of how to make something that is not a single and a lizard. You can make it out of all colors, doesn't really matter. I'm done. So yeah, that was a tutorial. Hopefully it was pretty easy for you. So